Okay, so in this video we are going to have a little look at how we can work with some formulas and maths to work out our cost price and profit. Now if you've downloaded the Computer Builders 2.csv file, that stands for comma separated value file, comma separated value file, and you can sometimes get those, and we will most likely get one from Google Forms when we download that data. Now the thing about it is that when you come to save it, there's a couple of things, but I don't want to cover that right now. But the first thing I want you to do is you go File, Save As, and we need to change that from a comma separated value file to just a regular Excel workbook. Okay, it should be the one at the top. So you're going to save that as a workbook. Then we'll have all our formatting and all the workings out will stay as we want them to. Right, so I've already formatted the title, and I've already formatted some of my headings here. Now if there is a double up in space, remember you just double click in between the two and it will set out the spacings for you, okay, automatically. Right, so now these are this is about a computer company. This is the items that they have for sale. So the first thing that we're going to do is we are going to put these into currency, because these here represent the amount of money. So that keyboard there is worth $30 at cost price, and it sells for $62. Okay, so we're going to highlight that, just those ones, and we're going to change them into currency. Now these here are the number of keyboards sold, representing, so 95 keyboards in October, 43 keyboards in November were sold, and 23 keyboards in December. Now this here is the total of those three columns only. Now to do that, I had to add those three columns like you have been with a sum, and the formula is equals sum. It goes for, it's got C3 to F3, but we've got that slightly wrong. We want it to be D3, E and F. Okay, so we're just going to change that here to D3, and then you give your area a little tick up there. Okay, so now we have a total of 161 unit sales. So to work out the cost price, all I have to do is times this one by that one, and this total unit sale by the cost price, because I'm looking at the cost price first up. So equals, and it's B3 times G3. So this one will be equals times, first of all we'll have to add up our one beforehand. So we've already added up one. We can click down on that lovely skinny cross all the way down and it will fill it in for us. And then if we go equals, and we can use the left bracket. Now it's nice and easy, you can click on the actual cell, so B4, click up the top, and for times it's the asterisk on the number 8 holding down the shift key, and we're timesing it by the unit sales. Okay, and then we just tick it and we now have a price, and we should be able to run that all the way down as well. And for our total sales, this time we're going to be equals and left bracket. We pick up the sales price and we're going to multiply it by the total unit sale and tick. Alright, and then we're going to run that down there. The profit is going to be the difference between those two prices there. So it's going to be equals, and it's going to be that one, and this time just minus that one. And if you just click away, so that's the difference there, and that's our total profit. Now these represent money, so we need to put those in currency as well, but not that one. Okay, and on the last one you're going to work out for me what the profit is per item. So we just did it on the total profit, so per item we want the profit, so it's this price minus that price. Okay, see how you go. I think I've run out of time in my video.